Hello, I'm Bishop Larry Kulick of the Diocese of Greensburg, and I'm here in this Jubilee Year of Hope in my office at the Pastoral Center. And recently, our diocese held another one of our Know Him, one of our immersive evangelization experiences at Christ Our Shepherd Center in Greensburg. This most recent Know Him was entitled Know Him Rome, in which we had an opportunity to create for all of those who visited a pilgrimage to Rome. And as part of that experience, many of the visitors got to visit St. Paul's outside the wall. And while they were there, one of the things that they were able to do is to write a postcard to our Holy Father, Pope Leo. And I'm here in my office now putting together over 1,000 postcards that have been written to our Holy Father, and we're getting ready to send them off to him in Rome. And so as we gather here today and as we're putting them together, not only with the words and the wonderful messages that have been placed on each of these postcards, but along with all of the Diocese of Greensburg in this Jubilee Year of Hope, we send our Holy Father Pope Leo our prayers, our thoughts, our best wishes, and most importantly, our fidelity and our loyalty as we continue to journey together as the Church, in hope, in peace, and in love. To all of those who've participated in this Know Him series, thank you very much. And for those who've taken the time to write to our Holy Father, we're very grateful for that wonderful act and kind gesture.